What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's YouTube video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a thumbnail. And for example, I'm going to be teaching you how to take this photo to something like this, from this photo to something like this. So first thing you want to do is obviously film a video, and then you'll take a screenshot from that original video, any screenshot you want, okay? Go to PixArt, hit the little plus button at the bottom, and then select the image you want. For example, we're gonna go with this one. You have all these different options at the bottom. So you'll hit effects, and it's automatically gonna make the photo like have these different blur options. You're gonna scroll all the way to the end, and you're gonna hit motion blur. It makes it look like you're moving or whatever. Hit apply, okay? And then you're gonna hit add photos, and then you're gonna find the photo, whatever gradient you decide to get. I like to go with the plain red one, which is right here, and then you'll hit add. You'll make that photo pretty big, like you'll zoom it all the way out, and then you'll hit the, I think it's called opacity. It's at 100 right now. Make it go like at an 82, I say at 87. Hit apply. You're gonna add a new photo, and that's gonna be the same photo that you just did. You're gonna add that photo again, hit add. You're gonna hit cutout, and then you're gonna hit the little person symbol that you see right here. Now, obviously, it left out my arm, so you can zoom in with the pencil and highlight it. It'll go red, or you can always erase it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and you can always hold it and change the size of your brush. And then we're gonna go ahead and color it. It's not gonna be perfect because I already have a perfect one. And then just hit save. Now, go all the way to the end, hit border, and then it gets the white effect around it, right? And then you can like make it really thick, really small. I like to go for something small. And then you just blow this picture up right here. And then you can pretty much see it in the background. You will hit like apply, and then you hit next, and then you'll save it or whatever. But I already have one. So you go into Phonto, hit the camera at the bottom, hit photo albums, and then you'll go into that photo that you just saved, which is the one we're using right here. Same one, different photo. You'll hit done. And then let's say text. Let's say how to make a thumbnail, because that's actually a video we're going to be doing. Obviously, you're going to change the size or whatever. And you'll hit done and drag that down. Go down like that. Actually, I want to make a. And then just keep this one as thumbnail. Make the size go down that one. And then I like, obviously, it's Vlogmas, so I'm going to put Vlogmas Day. What day is it? Today is Vlogmas Day 20. And then you guys obviously know you'll click on it, hit style. I like to keep my text white. I like to make the stroke on it black, and I always go at 14 for the width. And then I do the same thing for day 20, whatever day it is. And for my other text, I like to actually make the text black and the stroke white, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. So I pretty much have everything in place. You can move it around, change the size. And then what I like to do is add like some crazy emojis, like some, you know, you can add it right there. Since it's like Christmas, we can put like Christmas emojis or like some fire emojis, make it look more legit. You can put like a cell phone, because that's what we're doing. And then you'll just hit the little button at the bottom, and then you'll hit save image. And then it's gonna be saved to your gallery. And that's pretty much how I make my thumbnails. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and drop down in the comment section below. It's me, Cameron Amani, signing out. See you guys in my next YouTube video.